Hello, this is Schedulytics and welcome to today's session. If you are new to the channel, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you are always notified whenever a new video is released. Now, in today's world, artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques have become a buzzword. But how can these concepts be applied in, for example, the health industry to improve the health outcomes? Well, if you watch this video right to the very end, you have a glimpse of how this could be used in improving or predicting health outcomes. So right here on my screen, we're having an Anaconda Navigator. So this is a platform that helps you to launch into some of the platforms that will be able to help you to run some of these analysis or predictions. So the particular one we'll be leveraging here is the Jupyter Notebook. So once you click on Jupyter Notebook or you click on the launch button, it will quickly launch that for you. And then you have opportunity to run whatever analysis using Python. Here we have a platform, which is the Jupyter Notebook, as we can see here. And here we are doing prediction on how we can be able to apply some of these classification systems like k-nearest neighbor, support vector machine decision tree, which are all machine learning techniques. So the first thing you want to do when you are leveraging the Python platform or the Jupyter Notebook using Python code, so you have to import some libraries and some of the models that will help you to do that. So in this line of code, we have the libraries that we have imported. And then we load the data sets. Then we do a visualization and pre-processing of the data. Then we do a model classification. Then we run our models, which could be logistic regression, decision tree, k-nearest neighbor, support vector machines. And all of them will give us some measures for which reason we will be able to predict their performance. So basically, this is how machine learning techniques could be leveraged in recent times in predicting some of the health outcomes that we may have. Once we have huge data, we can be able to leverage this. So in subsequent videos, we are going to break down how we can be able to run some of these machine learning techniques. We're going to take them one after the other and see how we can be able to measure their performance by way of accuracy, recall, precision, F1 score, etc. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on subsequent videos that will come in this regard. To meet again on our next one, this is Schedulytics, and it's a wrap.